Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll teach you how to export GradView to PDF using JavaScript and jQuery in ASP.NET. Before moving ahead, I would like to request you to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So let's start. We'll start by adding a GradView control. Now I'm adding columns to the GradView. I'll be adding 3 bound fill columns: customer ID, name and country. Now our GradView is ready. Let's move to the code behind. Now I'm adding a namespace, system.data. I'll be making use of dynamic data table to populate the GradView. Now inside the page load event handler, I am writing the if notice post back condition. Now first I am creating a data table object. Now I am adding columns to the data table. It will be same columns what we have already defined in the grid view. Now I am adding some rows to the data table. The grid view can also be populated from database, but in this example it is not a requirement, and hence I am making use of a dynamic data table. Now the rows have been added. Now I'll assign the data table to the grid view and call the data bind method. The population part of the grid view is completed. Now let's run the code. So it is working perfectly and the grid view is displaying data from the dynamic data table. Now let's move back to the ASPX page. Now let's move to the next part, which is exporting grid view to PDF using JavaScript and jQuery. So we'll start by adding a button. Now I'm inheriting 3 JavaScript files. The first one is jQuery, the second one is PDF make, and the third one is HTML to Canvas. All these 3 will be required for exporting the grid view to PDF using JavaScript and jQuery. Now here I am selecting the button using jQuery. I'll be assigning a click event handler to the button. Now inside the HTML to canvas function, I am selecting the grid view. I would like to inform you that this particular example will only work in HTML5 supported browsers. It won't work in any browser which is not supporting HTML5. The reason behind is that canvas which we are using here is only available in HTML5 supported browsers. Inside the onRendered event handler of the HTML to canvas function, I am fetching the grid view image using HTML5 canvas. So the idea is to convert the grid view to an image and then export the image to PDF using the PDF Make plugin. So that is the reason I am using two plugins. The first one is HTML to canvas, which converts the grid view as an image, and then the image is converted to PDF using the PDF Make plugin. Finally, I am calling the create PDF function of the PDF Make plugin, which will create the grid view image to PDF and also download it. So now let's run the code and check it. Now let's click on the export button. As you can see, the PDF has been downloaded. After opening, you can see it is clearly showing the grid view along with all the colors and the font. So with this, we come to the end of this video. The source code and download links are given in the description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you soon.